Hey guys, do you want to change the look of your patio cushions from this to this? Stay tuned and I will tell you how.
Hello my friends. So today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to clean this. So my pillows are approximately 14 years old and they look like brand new. I have the most amazing solution of all. So I've tried a few of them and this one is my favorite one. It is by Scrub Free, and make sure you get the one that says removes tough mold and mildew. And don't forget, this one has bleach, so be careful with that. Make sure you pick a sunny day for doing that because sun is a natural whitener as well. So it's gonna be huge help if you're gonna be doing it on a sunny day. It doesn't have to be crazy hot, but as long as it's sunny, it will work just wonderful. Before you do anything, make sure you try somewhere, small corner, anywhere that is not going to be visible in case the bleach is going to do some damage to your cushions.
All you have to do is spray the cushion with the cleaner. Make sure you saturate it very well. As you can see, there's gray dots on it. That is the mold and mildew showing up once it's wet. And simply let it dry on the sun. Once it's all dry, simply rinse it with the water very well. You do not want any bleach to be left in the pillow. Once you're all done, you can simply stand it on the grass or hang it to drain all the water out and simply dry on the sun.
And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.